Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to upload videos on YouTube Studio. Let's say you already have a video saved on your system and now you want to upload them. If you open YouTube Studio, you're going to click on create here and then you see upload videos. Click on it. You have other options. You have go live, you have create posts, you have new playlist, new podcast and new course. So tap on upload videos. Then you're going to see you can use the drag and drop video files. Just drag and drop it there, or you can click on select files. Now don't forget that once you submit your videos to YouTube, be acknowledged that you agree to YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. So please be sure not to violate others' copyrights or privacy rights. If you're okay with this, click on select files. You can pick the files from here, or you can click on show all files. Since I'm using Opera browser, that's why it looks this way. Then you pick the file you want to upload. Let's say the video I want to upload. So you look for the video. Let's say I want to upload the video from here. This is the video I want to upload. You click on it and then you click here open and it will upload. You start showing you what you can see the uploading here 2%. But if you click on more than one, it will not show like this, it will show in a list. Let me show you what I mean. Let's cancel this. Let me show you what I mean. So we start to cancel and upload. Cancel upload. Now let's say I want to upload more than one. Upload video, select files, show files. I click on two of them. Let's want to upload these two. So click on open. It will show like a list by the right here. You can see it show like a list. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. So it'll give a few minutes to run through and then you start editing and then you upload.